Welcome back. In addition, let's recreate the front bumper here. But first, let's head to Construct and grab our plane at angle. Selecting this edge. Move and rotate our handle. Key in AT. Hitting enter. Let's sketch our path. Selecting this plane. Hitting L for a line. Let's hit P for project to project this endpoint and this endpoint. Hit OK. Hit L to re-grab our line. Left click here. Left click and hold. Release. Left click. Hit escape. Let's apply a tangent constraint to this arc and this line. Hitting escape. Hit D for dimensions, selecting the center point and this edge. Left click here, key in 20. Hitting escape. And finally, let's select this line, right click and make this perfectly vertical. Hit L once more. Create a line from here going to this end point. Hitting escape. Repeating line. Left click here and left click here. Hitting escape. Let's turn off the visibility of our bodies. Hit S for sketch shortcuts. Typing FIL. Selecting fillet. Selecting this line and this line. Key in 20. Same here. This line and this line. Key in 20. Selecting stop sketch. Let's head up to construct and select plane along path. Selecting this path. Key in 0. Selecting this plane. Hit C for circle. Let's create our 10mm circle. Selecting stop sketch. Head to create and select sweep. Selecting our circular profile. Activating our path. Selecting our path. Turn on our bodies. Change the operation to new body. And finally, hit OK. With our bottom tubes in place, in the next lesson, let's create the tubes here at the side.